Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium buildup in a kettle. Limescale, which is calcium buildup, can make your hot drinks taste off and also makes your kettle work harder. It's important to remove these mineral deposits regularly to keep your appliance running efficiently and to ensure your water tastes fresh. This easy method uses common household items. First, combine 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts water inside your kettle. Bring this solution to a boil, then turn off the kettle and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the vinegar to work its magic on the calcium deposits. After soaking, carefully empty the kettle and rinse it out thoroughly with fresh water. If you have particularly stubborn limescale, you might need to repeat the boiling and soaking process. For any remaining spots, a gentle scrub with a soft brush or sponge can help. After cleaning, it's crucial to boil fresh water 2 to 3 times and discard it. This ensures all traces of vinegar are gone, leaving your water tasting perfectly clean. To keep your kettle in top condition, aim to descale it every 1 to 3 months, depending on your water hardness. A simple habit of emptying the kettle after each use can also significantly reduce new mineral buildup. Remember, a little regular care goes a long way in extending your kettle's life. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.